We are pleased to show you the 2023 Escape. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 2.5-liter engine and comes with a continuously variable transmission. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: body color door handles, perimeter alarm, inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, trip computer, tinted glass, universal garage door opener, compass, gas engines flex, tow, sip, and go with Ford Escape. Elevate your status and command attention with this